Hello everyone, we are Team Techno. I am Avinash and with me Kaustubh and Ayush are present. We are going to walk through our project AgentGuard. Imagine you have built an AI agent that handles customer refunds. You test it with 10 prompts. Everything looks fine and you deploy it to production. 3 days later, a user types refund all orders from last year and your agent does it. No confirmation, no guardrail, a loss of 500 million hits to a organization. This is not a hypothetical industry benchmark report that autonomous AI agent fails on over 70% of real world tasks. The problem isn't that AI agents are bad. It's that we have no systematic way to test them before deployment. We built Agent Guard to solve this. Our problem statement asks us to build an AI-powered platform that automatically generates adversarial the test scenarios for AI agent, runs them in a sandbox environment, scores failures, modes, and produces a reliability reports functioning as continuous integration for autonomous agents. Current AI agent testing is manual, incomplete, and reactive. Developers write a handful of test prompts, hope for the best, but finding bugs only after real users triggers an agent guard makes testing automatic, comprehensive, and proactive. Agent Guard is a four-module pipeline. Let me walk you through each module. Module 1 is a scenario synthesizer. You gave it to your agent description and tools. It uses an LLM to automatically generate and adversarial test cases covering five failure taxonomies: goal drift, hallucination, destructive action, tool lockout, and conflicting parameters. No manual test writing needed. Module 2 covers is a sandbox execution engine. A real LangGraph React agent is built dynamically from your tool definition and actually runs each prompt. We intercept each tool call, log every input and output, and detect infinite loop automatically. Module 3 is a AI failure classifier. It reads the execution traces like an expert, safety auditor, and classifies what went wrong, how severely it went wrong, and why it went wrong, using the same LLM that understands context, not just rule-based threshold. Module 4 is a dashboard that report built by Ayush, which visualize everything and generates a downloadable PDF reliability report. All five sandbox execution and all five classification run in parallel using Python thread pool executor. Five evaluation completes in around 90 seconds. Now I will hand over to Kostub to show a live demo of our project Agent Guard. Over to Kostub.
Hello everyone, I am Kaustubh and I'll walk you through our live demo. Let's first see the dashboard. For now, every value is blank because we haven't started it. So let me just go ahead and configure our agent. We provide our default agent, so anyone testing our product doesn't have to write anything manually. For now, we'll not use this default agent. We will be using this agent, weather information agent. So let me just configure this agent. Our product, our product is not for hard coded agents. It uses real time agent, the agent you actually provide, and provide output based on that. Let me just fill it completely. So once this is filled, we can move to attack lab. Here you can see our product has generated 5 test cases, each targeting the different failures Avinash mentioned. So let's run each of them. Here you can see our pipeline. currently running Sandbox. In Sandbox, we actually send multiple APIs to generate the test cases and run the agent and test the agent in those test cases. Let's see what happens. Yeah. As you can see, it took some time because of the multiple API calls it had to make. So here you can see the agent failed on these test cases, which is a severe problem. If this agent had not been tested, this could cause you a lot of problems. So let's see the traces where the agent actually failed. This is our game changer because this shows where problem occurs. As you can see, it gives a flowchart of what tools it used and how and where it failed. So let's move to our report. Here we give a score of the agent out of 100. Let's download the report first. While the report is generating, let me walk you through our AI chatbot. Here we can, if you click on the trace test case, you can actually see the reason why it failed. And if you want more detailed explanation, you can ask our AI chatbot. Like it tells. Uh, so if I were to ask something else like how can I improve the score, uh, it gives a valid answer. So and this feature we put because
Three.
one, two, three. As you can see, the PDF has been completed. Let me just save it to the desktop and let me show you the report. So it gives a proper report of where it failed, what actually happened, and what we should do to correct this. So uh, after this live demo, I give the mic to Ayush, who will conclude our project.
So my name is Ayush Kumar. Uh, so a few things that make Agent Guard technically strong. First is it's completely generic. You define any agent with any tools. Agent Guard dynamically build the execution environment using Pindatic model generation and LangChain structure tool. The same system that tested a customer support agent tested a healthcare appointment agent and a financial advisor agent. Zero code changes. Secondly, the sandbox run a real LangGraph React agent. This is not simulated. The agent actually decide which tools to call. We intercept those call, return mock response, and detect failure patterns from the real execution traces. And the third, we use GPT OSS 120 billion parameter on Grok for both adversarial generation and classification. Grok's LPU hardware means we get a sub-second inference even on a 120 billion parameter model. That's why the full pipeline complete in under 90 seconds. Uh, Agent Guard addresses a real immediate problem as AI agent get deployed in healthcare, finance, legal service, and customer support. The cost of a single failure grows dramatically. A lockout that runs for 10 minutes could send thousands of emails. A destructive action without a guardrail could wipe a production database. Agent Guard gives a development teams a systematic way to catch these failures before they reach to users. Automatic red teaming, real sandbox execution, AI powered classification. We built this in 4 days. The architecture is designed to scale, connect a real agent API instead of our mock tools, and Agent Guard becomes a production grade reliability platform. Thank you. Over to you.